Okay, so I got this little vacuum, just like many of you other folks. And so this was like one of the last in stock, whatever. Was supposed to be brand new. At least I was under the impression it was. If you look over here, when you look at these brushes, those are frayed, and those don't look brand new at all to me. So, not sure what's going on there. But then on top of that, the vacuum itself, I've used it like twice now. Because every time I use it, it goes into a loop in a back corner over there. And unlike other vacuums, this one has, it doesn't, I guess the living room doesn't have to be mapped or anything has to be mapped before it actually starts doing its job. It literally goes at random directions and random patterns. So, the app that controls this particular device is called Tuya. And it controls light bulbs, it controls so many other things as well. However, while it is one of those, hey, it's an app that controls everything, it's absolutely garbage. It's so limited, it's ridiculous. So, anyways, let's go ahead and get this thing started. That way I can show you what it's about to do. Alexa, turn on vacuum.
Okay.
Yep. Wreck your base. There you go. Try to suck up your base. Yeah, that was really bad. Why it doesn't back out then turn? No idea. I blame it on software issues. So there it goes, at random. And you see that? That's because see those brushes? Those brushes are going underneath and rolling with it. They're not actually spinning. There it goes bumping in the wall. And so this vacuum is supposed to go in a certain pattern. Tried that, didn't work. Tried going in some other method, didn't work either. It's absolutely a nightmare. Then on top of that, this comes with a mop built into it, right? Okay, so it started mopping the carpet. It was unable to make the difference between a carpet and tile. It literally would mop the carpet. Yep, there you go, bumping into the wall. Yeah, see, it's not supposed to do that. Now, if I do this number, Alexa, pause the vacuum. Oh, shoot. Alexa, pause the vacuum.
Sorry, I'm not sure.
Of course you're not sure. Okay, so I'm going to do this manually. Let's go ahead and pause this. One moment here. Let me pull this brush out. 1 second. Okay. Look at this thing. It's pushing up. Because you see, these are supposed to be flexible. Well, it's pushing up. See how frayed that is? Hang on, let me focus on it. Yep. So let me put it down like that. You see, that's not supposed to push up like that. Look how high up the ground it is. And so what ends up happening is it's making this bounce. Now, if I only leave one on there,
yeah.